Tell them how much you love your Sea-Doo. Mm-hmm. Say it. I love my Sea-Doo. Mm-hmm. We love Sea-Doo. Fuse cover. I could only find one on eBay from United Kingdom, and they robbed me. It's like $40. $40 fucking for this thing. And it was the last one. I'm sure it always says it's the last one. So they could charge you $100 for it. So this is the exposed diode repair that I did last night. At first I thought I was just going to pack it with urethane for windshield, which I'm not going to do that. So my next thought was, everybody has plenty of these cell phone chargers or, you know, small chargers. And what I wanted to do is I'm just going to take this apart and I'm going to cut this down so it has a cap. And it looks like it will fit right in that location, but I'm going to make it sit low just enough to cover the diode. So you can do this part and make it look better than just a big blob of urethane. But once I get around to doing that, I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Maybe I can find something else in the shop that's a little smaller. But you see, this is your 12-volt cell phone adapter or whatever. Everybody has tons of them. Oh wait, here's another one that's a little bit... I might even just whack this one down. Just like that, and it should just cover the diode. I don't really want to bend the diode around too much, but yeah, repurpose some crap that's sitting around your house. I'm sure everybody's got boxes of these things. Thanks for watching.